Welcome to this video on the importance of doing planks every day. Watch to the end and be sure to like and subscribe. 6 benefits of doing 1-minute planks every day. 1. Decreased risk of back injury. Planks are a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle while also preventing strain on your spine or hips. Planks can help to strengthen your back muscles and provide more support and stability to your entire back, especially your upper back, therefore decreasing the risk of back injury. 2. Metabolism boost. Planking is a great way to challenge your entire body because it burns more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Because they are some of the largest muscles in the body, the core muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise daily will ensure that you burn more energy, even when sedentary. This is especially important if you spend most of your day in front of a computer. Making it a daily home exercise routine before or after work will not only increase your metabolic rate but will also ensure that it remains high throughout the day. 3. Improved posture. Planks have a significant impact and improve your posture. A good posture provides a plethora of fantastic benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in proper alignment, which means your bones and joints will be better maintained, but it also means your muscles' overall effectiveness will be improved. A good posture will keep your back or spine in the proper position, resulting in less back pain. Aside from that, someone with good posture appears healthier and more confident overall. 4. Improved balance. Have you ever tried standing on one leg and found that you could not stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It is not because you are clumsy, but because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to provide you with the necessary balance. Many people believe that balance is primarily determined by the legs, but most of the work is done in your core, which keeps you stable and upright. You will improve your balance and performance in any type of fitness activity by performing side planks and planks with extensions. 5. More flexibility. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks on a regular basis, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, as well as your hamstrings, foot arches, and toes. You can also work on your oblique muscles by including side planks in the mix. This will give you even more benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, which is essential for supporting your body's weight. 6. Improved mood. Plank exercises have a unique effect on our nerves, making them an excellent way to boost our mood. This works because they stretch out muscle groups in the body that contribute to stress and tension. Assume you spend your entire day sitting in your chair, whether at home or at work. Your thigh muscles become tight, your legs become heavy because of being bent for several hours, and tension develops in your shoulders because of being forced to slump forward all day. All these situations put strain on the muscles and nerves. The good news is that planks can treat anxiety and depression symptoms as well as calm your brain, but only if you incorporate it into your daily routine. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.